Imagine a predator, only to discover it has a predator. For decades, viruses were seen as the ultimate microscopic hijackers, infecting all forms of life. But here at Dendro Zap, let's dive into a groundbreaking revelation: some viruses themselves fall prey to other, even smaller viruses. This stunning ecological twist fundamentally reshapes our understanding of the microbial world, revealing an intricate hierarchy where even the most dominant microscopic entities are not immune. It's a layer of biological complexity we are only just beginning to comprehend. These superpredator viruses, called virophages, specifically target an astonishing group, the giant viruses. Unlike typical viruses, which are tiny, giant viruses like Mimivirus or Pandoravirus are enormous, visible even under a light microscope, possessing genomes larger than some bacteria. They infect single-celled organisms, particularly amoebas, by turning their host cells into massive viral factories. Their immense size and genetic complexity once challenged the very definition of a virus, setting the stage for an unexpected battle. Enter the virophage. The first, Sputnik, was discovered in 2008. Sputnik infects Mimivirus, but it doesn't directly attack the amoeba host. Instead, it parasitizes the Mimivirus's replication cycle. When a Mimivirus infects an amoeba, it builds a specialized factory inside the cell to produce its own progeny. Sputnik infiltrates this factory, hijacking the giant virus's own genetic machinery and enzymes to replicate itself. It's a brilliant act of biological piracy. The consequences for the giant virus are significant. With Sputnik consuming resources and commandeering the Mimivirus's replication machinery, the giant virus struggles to reproduce effectively. Its progeny are often fewer in number, deformed, or non-infectious. This reduction in the giant virus's virulence offers a surprising benefit to the original amoeba host. What was once a deadly infection for the amoeba is now significantly weakened, sometimes even neutralized, by the presence of the virophage. Virophages are now known to be widespread in various environments, from oceans to freshwater to soil. While Sputnik was the first, many more have been identified, targeting different giant viruses. Their presence suggests a widespread ecological role, acting as crucial regulators of giant virus populations. By dampening giant virus infections, virophages may indirectly protect host organisms like protists, shaping microbial communities and nutrient cycling in ways we're only beginning to appreciate. The discovery of virophages adds an incredible layer of complexity to our understanding of viral ecology. It demonstrates that the biological arms race isn't just between hosts and parasites, but also within the parasitic world itself. This intricate web of interactions could even offer novel avenues for research, perhaps inspiring new antiviral strategies or tools for microbial control. The microscopic world continues to unveil its astonishing wonders. Stay curious. Dendro Zap, out.